Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Stephanie. My brand name is Bassiani. How y'all doing? So today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make a block pattern. And it doesn't matter if you have a dress, a leotard, a pants pattern, or a blouse pattern. It doesn't matter. What we're going to do is we're going to transfer the information from one either commercial pattern to a poster board. Okay, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Um, if you have tracing wheel and tracing paper, then that will be perfect. If you don't, you can just use your pencil to trace it and trace it onto um, a paper that is a see-through paper like the one you're looking at. I got that from Amazon. Okay, guys? And from there is where we're gonna trace out the information that we need. So what I'm using right now is the leotard pattern. We're gonna do the front, the back, the sleeve, and the collar. Okay, and we're gonna trace that first. Okay, let's start. Cut it out. So all I did was transfer the pattern. I don't need this anymore. So it's a block pattern, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on cardboard. So this is a center back. Cut two. This is a grain line. Size small. Alright. So let me see if you can see it. So I'm actually there it is. I'm just gonna cut it out now. So I'll put this away because I can make a pattern out of that. So this is the back. Come on, guys. Now, let me see if I can come from here. So this is the back. All right. This is the front. This is a leotard pattern. What I'm going to do is transfer it to cardboard because and I bought this from Walmart. And inside of it, it have, I think it's 8 of them. It's 5 of them. 5 of them. I think I paid like $2 and change. Yeah, at Walmart. It says poster boards. Okay. So I'm going to transfer it. I'm going to use the yellow. I have a pretty yellow in here. It's a yellow. Alright. And then I'm going to transfer it. So this is it right here. Okay, here it is. And I'm going to go and do this. Now this one is, so this one is this right here. See, I put it on there. going to who it is. All right. So that one. No, this is the. So this is longer. So I gotta have to add stuff to this, or nope. I might have to add to it. So tape to it. So let's cut this out. So I do have a. I have to write on this. This one said new. So I gotta use this one that doesn't work no more. And yep. Alright. So I cut it out. So I gotta put these lines in. I put that line in. Okay. So this is the small. This is the front. And I'm gonna put that line that's on the pattern. Okay. So here's my front. This is it. This is my block pattern. This is it. This is my block. So this is my block. Leotard pattern. So I don't cut this up. I use this to make my one piece, such as this. All right. Put it here. Put it on for you guys because so this is the one piece. All right, comes from this. All right, so you notice that your front and your back, you know, here's the crotch for the front, so you know you have to extend it. That's all you're doing. You're extending it. You're extending it. Okay. Keep in mind that if you use your block pattern, you know exactly how to extend it. Okay. Because here's the front. Here's your back. Okay. And when you put it together, you notice that. See? Here's your front. Here's the back. So you can see it goes like this. Okay? So you know to extend it from here to here, which is another, what? Let me see. 4 inches to get your thumb. See? All right, so now I'm going to make my back block pattern. Right? So we're going to do the same process. So guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm doing the back. Because the back is longer on the poster board that I got from Walmart, you notice that I have to do it a slant way so that I can cut out the back because it's a little bit longer. Okay, Now, remember you have to transfer all your marking. You got to put back your grain line. You got to put back your line for the stitching. You got to put back your line for where to meet the your the actual like under your sleeve, your collar, and your hip line. You got to put all those marking back in, okay? The reason why you have a block pattern is because it lasts longer. When I was in college, we used to use oak tag, okay? But guess what? Oak tag is a little bit expensive paper to get, all right? And it's very sturdy also, but your poster board is also sturdy, so you can use it and you can use it over and over again to um, to make any design that you want from your block pattern, okay? Now remember when I was talking to you about the one piece and to actually lengthen it. It's you remember even at the front part of the top of the actual front part of the pattern, okay, where you get that scoop out, okay. Remember, you always do a mock-up, meaning that when you design, you remember you're not going to be cutting your black pattern, okay. You're going to be cutting the white. That white that you're seeing on top, that's what you use to make the other pattern. Your block pattern stays the same. You do not cut any part of your block pattern, okay. And you must do a mock-up, meaning that you want to test it to make sure that everything is correct and it fit properly, okay guys. And that's about it. All you're doing is transferring from your commercial to a poster board and using your poster boards as your block pattern, because you're not going to be cutting up the original pattern. And then whatever pattern that you make from that block pattern is the one that you're going to be cutting up, because that's what you're going to be using for your design. Okay, guys, if you love my videos, just hit the like button and remember to subscribe, and thank you all for the support. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.